as long as you've revised partial fractions, this question should be pretty straightforward. So expressing this in partial fractions, I've got this bracket squared. So I do a over 1 plus 2x, b over 1 take x, add c over 1 take x squared. From there, I write a fraction with that as my denominator. So this one here, I'm timesing top and bottom by bracket squared. This one here, I'm timesing top and bottom by 1 plus 2x and 1 take x. This one here, I'm timesing by 1 plus 2x. So basically I've got all of this at the top and I want it to equal 2 plus x squared, and I've set that out very, very clearly. I've set it out clearly so that when I come back to check my answers, it'll be easy for me to follow how I was thinking. Now I can choose certain values of x that will make life easier for me. If I choose x as 1, that disappears, that becomes 0, so that disappears, so I'm left with this. 1 plus 2 times 1 is 3, so 3c, 2 plus 1 squared is 3, c is 1. Value of x to make that bracket equal 0 is minus half. 2 plus minus half all squared is 2.25. 1 minus minus half is 1.5. 1.5 squared times a, that's 0, and you get a is 1. And then finally, your easiest approach next is to just choose the number of x squared. So I've got 1x squared, this will become ax squared, this will become minus 2bx squared, and no x squareds there. So 1x squared, ax squared, minus 2bx squareds, subtract a, in other words subtract 1, you get 0, so b is 0. So I get a over 1 plus 2x is 1 over 1 plus 2x, b over 1 minus x is 0, we don't need to write it, plus c over 1 take x squared is 1 over 1 take x squared. So now integrate upper and lower limit according to the question. So this bit is ln of 1 plus 2x all times by half. This, don't be caught out, remember it's 1 minus x to the minus 2, so it becomes bracket to the minus 1, and in fact if I differentiate that, I'll see that I get minus bracket to the minus 2 times by minus 1, which becomes the plus that I want. Put in the values, a quarter and 0, and you'll get half ln 2 quarters is half, 1.5, plus 1 over 3 quarters, take away half ln 1 plus 1 over 1. In other words, simplifies to that and simplifies further to what I wanted.